turn on the gang, I won't do it. If I put it on a song, I send it a been through. I can't put it in my song, I know how to feel goes.
What's up, guys? I am back once again, but this is my first video of 2019. Close that. Alright, so this is my first video of 2019, and I just came with a cooking tutorial of how I'm making Rotel. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, hit that bell notification. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Alright, so first we're gonna put this meat in. You really just want to try to break the meat up. I'll be back to y'all when the meat start getting meaty. Alright, so now that my meat is getting brownish, it's time for me to season meat. Alright, y'all, so when I season my stomach, bruh, I don't do all that extra stuff with seasoning. I just try to make sure it's seasoned right. So let me get my seasoning. And why I can't find it? Oh God. Here's one of these. This always helping me. I'm gonna show y'all though. I just gotta get it together. I don't know why I didn't pull this out the cabinet. I use this thing really seasons all of it. This really seasons all of it. It's this Sazari, Gujarat, whatever. And I put a little black pepper on there. Just spice things up. This make this thing smell so good, bro. It smells good. Let me show y'all how it looks. Let me show y'all how it looks. Alright, y'all, this is how it's starting to look. But this I gotta season it. And look, it's starting to look good. Look good. I'll get back with y'all when it's time to add more. Drain the grease out of it. Now I'm gonna add the cheese and rotel and stuff. So I'm using Velveeta original. So I'm going to cut this up, and once I put it in the pot, I'm going to show you guys. So, opening the can of Rotel so I can put it in there. Y'all, my finger is cut like really bad. I wash my hands though. But opening the can of Rotel so I can put it in there. Got the can open. I'm using Rotel original diced green piece. Yeah, that's how I look. This is Wednesday now. So I'm just gonna pour this in the pot. I'm just gonna stir it around. Let it get right. And my cheese melt. Cheez gonna take a while to melt, you guys. So don't stress about that. I think I got another can of tomatoes. Alright, y'all, so my thing was possibly going dead on my camera. So I'm just gonna show y'all when I get done with everything. I'm still gonna tell y'all what I got going on. So right now, I put my cheese in here. Trying to let the cheese melt inside the ground beef. And now I'm getting my cans of Rotels. I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so this is the final result. It look very good. Ready to hop in. Alright, y'all, to end this video, I just want to say give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you not have already done so, hit that bell notification, and stay tuned in for the next video.